Let's learn how to make Lahori Chanay. We need a cup of oil, 1 onion and bit of ginger and garlic. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Now we need to grind the ginger and garlic and make a paste. Now cut the onion and make onion paste. Lit up your stove. Put 1 cup oil into pan. I'm using non-stick pan for this. Let's boil 1 potato. We are making ½ kilogram chickpeas chanay. Put that ginger paste into oil and cook it for 2 minutes. Take that mashed onion and put that into the pan. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon salt and crushed chili. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Add a bit of turmeric powder and mix all the spices. Now take that boiled potato and add a bit of chickpeas into it and mash them. Now add that mashed potato into the pan. Now mix it well and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add ½ tablespoon cumin, zira powder. Add 1/4 garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon crushed coriander, succodonia. Add 1/4 amchur powder. Add to black cardamom, moti ilachi and 1 cinnamon, dalchini. Now cook all the spices on low flames. Now add that chickpeas chanay into the pan. I am using boiled chickpeas. If you don't have boiled chickpeas, make sure to boil them first. Cook them for 4 minutes and then add 2 tablespoon yogurt. Mix it well and make sure to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add a ½ cup water into the pan. Cover the pan with the lid and let them boil for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's cut some green chili. Now open the lid and add green chili into it. Let's add a bit of kasuri methi and that's it, mix it. And it's done. There you have the final dish. You can add boiled eggs and enjoy the meal. Subscribe and like for more yummy recipe. Enjoy your Lahori Chanay. Shout out Ali Murtaza for today's cooking.